Hello guys, you're welcome to the channel. This is ASHCo TV, and this is so far what the challenges we have come across during our operation, during the time of our operation. This is actually the off season, right? So during the operation time, I wasn't able to bring you a lot of videos. I brought you some, right? You can go back to the catalog to see our videos. One problem that we had is what I want to bring to your attention, and then advise yourself, so that you can advise yourself when you want to go into a project like this. Actually, what happened was we had a lot of problems when it comes to our road network. You can see that this is very, very bad, and when we were working and it was raining, it was so bad. You can see these are the trucks, the tires of the cars that bring the maize to and fro our factory site. So this is the road. This road actually passes through somebody's land. So what we are going to do is, going forward, we are going to change the road, and in subsequent videos you'll see it. We will channel the road to somewhere, and we will make a proper construction of it, just so that next season we will not have such problems. As you can see, the road was very deplorable and it was so bad, right? We had to rent this tricycle to be carrying the maize, because when the cars come, they are not able to come to the factory. They stand somewhere. You have to rent these tricycles to be going for fetch the maize to bring it to the factory side. When we finish up with our production, we will rent again to come and take them. And then, so these are the trucks of the tricycle, right? This is the tires of the tricycle. You can see how it has messed up our place. So this is the major problem that we encountered, and in subsequent videos you see the videos of constructing new roads around the workplace, to be able to fix and mitigate these problems. So stay tuned. If you are new here, please hit on the subscribe button, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for the support and your encouraging words. The calls that you've been extending to me, and the good words that you've been saying to me, I appreciate them a lot. And going forward, all the issues that come out of it, the good and the bad, I'll let you know, so that going into such a project, you make sure that you get a good land that is going to be able to help you and to assist you in your construction. So we had a problem on our land. When it rains, it was bad, and we are going to make sure we find ways to mitigate those problems. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. You can see this is around the structure, right? When it rained, it was very bad. Okay, it was very, very bad when it rained. Actually, the land topography was such that the land is actually swampy. So when it rains, a lot of water stuck there, and we didn't know, because we made the construction. We constructed the factory during the dry season, so we were not able to test the area until we started work and realized that it was raining and it was very bad.